Imagine walking through a garden where history blooms with every step, where icy winter cascades transform into vibrant spring blossoms, and summer bursts with color across centuries of design. Welcome to Chatsworth House, one of UK's most enchanting garden destinations. Chatsworth is not just a stately home in Derbyshire, it is a living story told through its gardens. For travelers, it is a chance to wander through landscapes shaped by visionaries across 6 centuries. Elizabethan beginnings in 1550s, Bess of Hardwick and Sir William Cavendish laid the foundations with a modest garden by the river Derwent. Baroque drama of the first Duke, 1600. The Cascade, Canal Pond and playful Willow Tree Fountain still surprise visitors today. Then natural elegance of the fourth Duke, 1700. Capability Brown swept away formality, blending the garden seamlessly into a rolling parkland. Then Victorian wonders, 6th Duke and Joseph Paxton, 1800. Giant rockeries, azalea-filled ravines, and the Emperor Fountain, once the tallest in the world, turned Chatsworth into a spectacle. Then modern creativity from 1950s to present. The maze, serpentine hedge, kitchen garden and cottage garden filled with colorful, beautiful flowers add playful twists for today's explorers. Every season brings a new personality. Frozen waterfalls in winter, carpets of azaleas in spring, and lush green mazes in summer. Travelers can enjoy not just the scenery, but also traditional English treats like Eton Mess, a refreshing mix of strawberries, meringue, and cream, perfect after a garden stroll. Step indoors and you will find treasures too. The Oak Room, the Grand State Music Room, and the elegant library. Beautiful elegant bedroom with a wonderful wallpaper design, and the dining room. But the gardens remain the star, drawing over 300,000 visitors each year with their timeless beauty. So if you are planning a trip through England, make Chatsworth House your stop. Wander through history, taste tradition, and let the gardens guide you through centuries of transformation. And if you would like to see the Chatsworth dressed in the festive splendor, check out my video about the magical Christmas at Chatsworth. Don't forget to like this video, write your comments, and subscribe to my channel for more traveling adventures and music. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.